Good morning students. Welcome to Narayana live class. My name is Shazia. I am from Guntur, Kottapeta branch. Today I am going to explain you Amazing Assignment class 5 subject mathematics chapter number 1 knowing our numbers. So train your brain training. We having the textbook that is page number 31. So I am going to read the first Roman that is think and answer. Think and answer. In that you can see the statements here, dear all. Okay, the statement, first statement A, the place value of the digit 7 in 2 crores 48 lakhs 79,105 is 70,000. What is the digit of the 7 in the place value of this given number, that is 70,000 is given in the statement, is the correct student? Yes, it's correct because the 7 is there in the 10,000 place. So 7 into 10,000, that is 70,000. The statement is correct. Okay. Next statement B. The face value of the digit 9 in. The face value of the digit 9 in 89 crores 30 lakhs 25,470 is 9. Yes. 9. Of the face value of the digit 9, the face value I have explained you many times. Wherever the digit of the places, the face value won't be changed. They won't be changed. Some example I have given, simple example. If you see your face in the mirror, it will be changed? No. The simple way you can understand, face is nothing but the digit of the face, value in the sense wherever the place, it won't be changed. That is face value wherever the place. Of course the 9, it is there in the 9 crore place. Okay. But it won't be changed. It will be the same digit as 9. So the statement B also is correct. Here you can see the options. Option A, both A and B are the true. Both A and B are false. Option C, A is true but B is false. Option D, B is true but A is false. Which option is correct here? Is correct. The option A is correct. Coming to the second one. Statements here also you can see the question number 2. Statement A, 10 crores is equal to 100 millions. 10 crores is equal to 100 millions is correct. 1 million is equal to 1 lakh. That's wrong statement because 1 million is equal to, you know now, how many? Yes, 10 lakhs. So statement B is wrong. You can see the option here. Both A and B are true. Both A and B are false. A is true but B is false. B is true but A is false. Which is the correct one? A is correct. The option C. Coming to the third one, statement A, there is no symbol for 0 in the Roman numeral system. Yes, there is no symbol for 0 in the Roman numeral. That is a correct one. I have explained you already. Next, coming to the B, the number CDLXIV is greater than CDLXV. So, here it is. Which one number is greater than? This is a greater number here. This is the greater number and this is a smaller number. So, this is a wrong statement. So, first one is a correct one and the statement is a wrong one, which you can hear option A, both A and B are true. Both A and B are false. A is true but B is false and B is true but A is false. Which will you choose? S, correct. Which one is C? Option C. Yes. Next, let us go with it. Yeah. Roman number 2, answer the following. Roman number 2, answer the following. The first one, explain the use of estimation in real life. Yes, in real life, I am going to explain you. In real life, estimation is a part of our everyday experience, dear all. Estimation is a part of our everyday experience. How? Example, your parents will go to the malls to purchase the groceries or else a money transaction or else anything shoppings for all. For that, before going for that, they outside to purchase the groceries. Yes, we have to estimate. Those all will come into the everyday experiences. That is called the estimation in real life. Estimation in real life. Let us write in real life. In real life, estimation is a part of a part of our everyday experience. Everyday experience. Yes. I have given the example. Best example is going to the malls for the groceries or else anything money transaction. Those all we have to estimate. That is our everyday experience. Coming to the second one, why the letter? Why the letter V, L and D are never be repeated in Roman numerals? Because solution dear all. Because we have X, C and N. X, C and N of Roman values. Roman numeral values. So we can't repeat. So we cannot be repeat